pasta salad in Christine's Magical Kitchen. Our ingredients are green beans, corn, peas, oregano, pasta, some olive oil, honey, and some mustard. As a variant, we will also be using some nice chicken. Start by washing our hands. We're going to start by making a dressing for our salad pasta. We will be using some nice olive oil, some oregano, some good old mustard, and some locally foraged honey. And that's going to be our salad dressing. This dressing has a very nice texture. Take a look. This recipe requires me to cut some crunchy green beans. This is going to take some time. Let's fast forward. Today while we're cooking, we'll be using some fun pasta, corn, peas, and some green beans I chopped up earlier. When you're boiling, remember to ask for Mommy's and Daddy's help. The corn is now cooked enough to put the beans in. We'll now be putting the peas in. When it starts to bubble like this, it means that it's okay to take off. After straining it, make sure to put the cooked vegetables into a bowl. And cut the corn off the cob. Now I'll add the pasta on top of the salad. We're shredding the chicken, putting it onto our salad. Now we'll be adding the secret sauce by the Christine Magical Garden's Kitchen. In it goes. Now let's try it. Wow, Christine and her friends sure know what they're doing. Thanks, Buzzy.
Christine's Magical Garden.